What's good, YouTube? In today's vlog, we're gonna do Steven's bumper and his rear lip, and we're gonna get all nice and yeah.
Yes.
Alright, this one goes out to all my car fillers out there. So if you're not a car filler, just
Why is it not fucking holding? Where's all that?
So today, folks, we're bondoing this because we custom fab the rear lip, and we're putting this on. So in order to make this functional, we gotta cut this, and we gotta cut. What's it meant? Oh, we have to cut this. So this goes on here, like this, like this, like this. This goes on somehow, right? Here we go.
What the fuck? That's not how you cut. What the hell taught you? I gotta make sure it don't come off. You know what I mean? Hey, people learn different ways. Sketchy, right? It's alright. What you want, mother asshole?
Just to say it a second time?
Well, I mean, yeah. US Lantico Body Shop. I don't really know how good it is, to be honest.
It's alright.
Steven, be quiet over there, God.
Damn, slow fuck.
Damn.
Hi! Hi!
I know that hurt.
Yo, that shit hurt so bad.
You should use your head.
Dude.
I'm never doing that again. Hey.
Yeah.
It won't stop bleeding. Well, you're bleeding? Let me see. Wow, so strong, you fucking idiot.
Pat. Someone's gonna have to change.
It is not me.
Bitch.
Look at what I just did, guys. The thing with it. And fuck.
Push it down.
Damn, that shit went in far as fuck. Right here, right here.
This car is a 10-footer. Stand from 10 feet away. He'll look good.
What? It looks fine, not painted.
Just put it on the bumper.
Nah, that's cool. Now I gotta get this shit done.
See?
That fucked me up. That's what happened. Like always.
I always break his clips, you know, lose his shit.
Oh my god.
Bro, Pat is literally the reason why my car's so fucked up.
Yeah, you see the bacon on his fenders?
God.
You see the side we did? You see the side he did?
How you feel?
It's not like this is the first time you did it.
My condolences.
Hey, it's cold out here in Maryland. Hell yeah, brother.
Texas guy.
What a Texas guy.
I'm a Texan. At heart. Gang. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna run, go get some ramen. We'll be back working on Steven's rear lip. See you guys in a second. Alright guys, Got back from eating some ramen.
Some ramen.
What's happening now?
I don't know.
He climbed my bumper too.
You said that already.
Nah, you
No,
climbed
you
my
clap
vent.
everything, bro.
You climbed my vent before. Now you climbed my bumper.
I think we're gonna be sanding down. We're gonna be sanding down this.
Yes,
Bondo, right?
We're gonna make this very nice and smooth, you know?
So we can get painted, ready for paint.
I don't know why you kept punching it. I only hit it twice.
You hit it like 3 times.
I hit it twice.
Alright, play it back.
I thought.
Let's see who's right.
I thought that I cut enough of it so that I would punch it and that shit would just go flying. And I thought it would have looked really, really cool. But it didn't move at all. It really hurt.
Wait. Put it back. I know that hurt too. You hit the ground.
Yo, just punch the concrete ground. Straight up.
I'm Asian, bro. It don't matter.
It looks good.
Wait, you can't show this part. Stop. Now you can show it.
God. Oh my god.
Brandon, here comes the choo-choo train. Hey, don't wait.
What are we doing?
Ow, fuck, ah, shit. Oh, God, that was hot. Oh. Damn it. Alright, pretty much these little vent pegs right here, I gotta sand these down so that the vents that I got are gonna sit a little bit more flush. I know Brandon said that I'm doing this so that it would be functional. I'm really just doing this so that my car would look cooler. Like, there's no function for this at all. I just show car, man. That's all I gotta say.
Ooh, what's good, gang?
Brandon went to a party.
Huh?
Brandon went to a party.
Dead ass?
It's okay, you bring us back alcohol.
I wanna go to a party.
That's so sad.
I'm trying to go get lit. What the fuck?
It's his cousin.
So we're gonna use the Bondo, fill in this little area.
Bro, this is Miracle Whip. Yeah, so we're gonna put the Bondo on top of the Bondo, and then it's gonna Bondo.
You
Oh,
stupid.
man. Don't push too hard.
Oh, just leave it like that.
Yeah, just let her fly.
Get into that little yip.
Gas. Wait. Like that? Like that.
It's okay, you send down, leave. Yeah, this one doesn't even need it, low key.
Nah, it needs to get like the little holes, you know? Like the little bubbles.
Yay.
Those little pinholes. Good Bondo.
Ooh, boy.
Mace got scared.
That was kind of close.
Was it?
Yeah.
Wanna get closer?
It's gonna dry faster. It's Lancet Cole Auto Body Shop.
This is how professionals work.
Don't ask us to do work for you.
Please don't also try this at home.
Try at your own risk.
We're looking pet.
This side's done. But this side I need one more layer. Cause this little shit.
Yeah.
Benito.
It's like so smooth. Oh my god. Tried my best to keep the body line.
Let me know for all your whatever that's called.
All right, guys. So we what?
End the video. End the fucking video. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Love every single one of you guys watching.
Psych. So we are basically done everything. We finished up these little things for the bumper. We finished up. Well, we're about to finish up this lip. We just gotta sand that down one more time, and then
For the 50th fucking time.
Yeah, for real. We are off to Tyler's. We're gonna drop this stuff off for paint. You guys will see it ready and done in the next couple days. So yeah. Wait, what?
Getting a new exhaust.
Whoa, nobody's supposed to know that.
Everybody gonna know. It's okay. They don't know what I'm getting, but I'm getting one.
Where are you getting yours from?
Top mufflers.
Hey.
Top mufflers. That's the boys.
Tag right here.
Right here. Top mufflers. You the plug.
Nah, put on the nuts.
Oh, here.
Put top mufflers right here.
Gang.
All right. Let's load it up. Bring it to Tyler's.
So we're about to clean up right now. I think we're done for the night. Right?
Yes, sir.
Done. Alright, we're done.
It is literally below freezing right now.
High key. My hands are numb.
Look
at this guy.
I'm shaking. It's ridiculously cold. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap it up for the night. We will catch you guys in the next video. Yes.
Bye. Love you guys.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel out a lot.
Like,
So,
share,
yeah.
do whatever. Show your mom,
Yeah,
your dad, show
share
your family.
the video. All right, we will catch you guys in the next vlog. Have a good one, guys.
Love you.
Love you guys.
Yeah.
See ya.